In this video, I'll talk about how long it takes for WordPress to update the changes. Now, if you make a change to, let's say, a post or something, so let me just open anything. Let's say you make a change and you press save. As soon as it says save and post updated, it has already been updated. So for most things on WordPress, it is actually instant as soon as you press the save button. So to answer the question, on WordPress, it is basically instant for all of the things, unless you, of course, schedule it for later. So if you go here and you do publish and you schedule it for tomorrow, of course, it will be tomorrow instead. But if you do it immediately, it will just be done ASAP. So that is how it works. Now, I really hope I answered your question. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.